In this video, we are going to be exploring arithmetic series. We are going to be finding the sum of a finite arithmetic series, and I'm going to introduce you to sigma notation. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a formula for finding the sum. Okay, S sub n, that means sum of the first n terms. Okay, so n is a finite number, is n divided by 2 times a sub 1, that's the first term, plus a sub n, which is the nth term, n being the last term. So if I wanted to find the sum of the first 8 terms, then n would be 8, a sub n would be the 8th term, a sub 1 would be the first term. Okay? Now, I am going to give you an arithmetic series, but I'm going to write this in sigma notation, all right, because we need to get used to seeing this. This is our Greek letter sigma, and we're going to start with n equals 1. Down here, you will find the lower limit of the series. That means the lowest number you plug in for the n. Up here, you would find the upper limit, which for this one's going to be 10. So that means we're going to find the sum of the first 10 numbers of a given series. And our series, I'm going to give it to you with the explicit formula of 3n minus 4. Okay. Now, this is one way they give you your series, is given the formula. Another way is to give you some of the terms of the series, which I'm going to use the formula to generate some of the terms. Okay, so we're going to start with our lower limit, 1. We plug 1 in for n. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 take away 4 is negative 1. So a sub 1 is negative 1. Now with a series, we put a plus between them because we're finding sums. Okay, now my next number is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 take away 4 gives you 2. Plus, let's find our third term. Plugging in 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 take away 4 is 5. Now, I don't need to find all 10 terms in order to find the sum of this, because I only need the first term and the 10th term. I know that n is 10 because there are 10 terms. Okay, so let's find the 10th term. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 take away 4 leaves you with 26. Okay, and I need to have a plus here and a plus here. Okay, because we're adding all these terms. So the sum of the first 10 terms of this is my first term, my 10th term. So let's plug them in. So sum of the first 10 terms equals 10 divided by 2, and then times negative 1 plus 26. Okay, now if I add negative 1 to 26, I'm going to get 25. All right, so I have S sub 10 equals, now 10 divided by 2 is 5 times negative 1 plus 26 we said was 25. So I have to take 5 times 25, and I get 125. So that means the sum of all 10 of those numbers adds up to 125. And there we have it. Enjoy. Have a great time with these.